What were you saying? Hi. Say hi. Really? Really? You have other things to say?
Why did you say I needed a 25 or a 50 foot?
What are you doing? Watching TV? Really? Okay. Are we about to go to the doctor? Say hi, everybody.
Yeah, if we bring a power strip, I mean, we might actually.
We're watching TV, so he's pretty mesmerized. What do you think, Robert?
Okay. No, that's good to know.
Hey, you.
Okay.
Hey, you.
Okay. Sounds good.
You drooling? What are you doing?
No, I don't think so. I think we're pretty.
All right, say bye. You stop talking.
I think I asked this, but I'm